version 3 on the Disneyland Railroad. Your safety guests and all guests remain fully seated at all times. Keep on hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train, especially while the train is in motion. Parents, please supervise young children and seat children under the age of 7 fully, either on a bench or at the lap of the guardian, and away from the train's opening for their safety. Our next stop is in the future, Tomorrowland, but don't worry, we'll get there today. For those of you in the queue, we're about to be the only train on the line, so we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Thank you.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock, and you are asked to leave.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
We're now arriving at Tomorrowland Station. Please stay seated so the train is comfortable, full, and at each stop. This is your stop for Autopia, Sunways, Astroblasters, Submarine Voyage, Space Mountain, Star Tours, and many more. Once again, folks, please remain seated so the train comes to a full and complete stop and both conductors step off the train. Welcome to the future. Wait for it. Watch yourself now.